Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connection and sharing, and you will see first option is personal hotspot. Click on personal hotspot. After click on personal hotspot, if you want to fix this problem, turn on hotspot button and turn off hotspot. Turn on or turn off hotspot and go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. You will see restart device here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. Your problem is not solved. Click on settings app. Scroll down to end. Click on system and update. And click on backup and reset. And click on reset set phone. And click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to end, click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working on Realme Narzo power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.